Section 10 CPC Stay of Suit Res Sub Judice. Have you ever wondered what happens when the same dispute is being heard in two different courts? Imagine this: Ram is having a property fight with his neighbor Shyam. He approaches the Mumbai court and files a suit, but while the case is going on, he gets fed up and decides to file another suit in the Delhi court. Will the Delhi court entertain the case? It's a situation that might leave you puzzled, but the Indian legal system has a straightforward solution. Enter Section 10 of the Civil Procedure Code, also known as the principle of res sub judice. In this video, we'll break down Section 10 CPC Stay of Suit Res Sub Judice, explain its importance, and give you some examples to help you understand it better. So let's get started. First things first, what is Section 10 CPC? Section 10 of the Civil Procedure Code provides that no court shall proceed with the trial of a suit if the matter in issue in that suit is also directly and substantially in issue in a previously instituted suit between the same parties which is pending in a competent court. Now let's break this down. This section basically pauses or stays a suit if the same matter is already being dealt with in another court. Why does this happen? Well, it's all about efficiency and consistency. Think about it. If we allowed multiple courts to hear the same case, we would end up wasting valuable time and resources. Not to mention the possibility of getting conflicting decisions. That's where Section 10 steps in to save the day. But wait, there are a few conditions that need to be met before a court can exercise its powers under Section 10. Let's take a look at them. 2 suits must be filed. Obviously, you can't have one suit pending and another one that hasn't even been filed yet. The matter in issue must be directly and substantially the same. This means that the dispute between the parties in both suits must be identical or very similar. Both suits must be between the same parties. Section 10 applies only when the parties involved in both suits are the same. If there's a change in parties, even if the dispute is similar, Section 10 will not apply. The earlier suit must be pending in a competent court. For the purposes of Section 10, a suit is deemed to be pending only in a competent court. In other words, if the court where the earlier suit was filed doesn't have the authority to hear that type of case, Section 10 will not apply. The court must be competent to try the later suit. This means that the court where the later suit was filed must have the power to hear that particular type of case. If these conditions are fulfilled, the second court must stay the trial until the first one is decided. Now let's look at an example to make things clearer. Suppose Ram and Shyam are neighbors and they have a dispute over a piece of property. Ram decides to file a suit against Shyam in the Mumbai court for an injunction, basically asking the court to stop Shyam from interfering with Ram's use of the property. However, while the case is ongoing, Ram gets frustrated and decides to file another suit against Shyam in the Delhi court. In this new suit, Ram is seeking the return of the property from Shyam. Now, since the Delhi court is hearing the case first, it will stay the proceedings under Section 10 of the Civil Procedure Code because a similar matter is already being dealt with in the Mumbai court. So why is the concept of res sub judice important? It's crucial for several reasons. First, it prevents a situation where one party keeps on harassing the other by filing multiple suits over the same issue. Second, it promotes consistency in judicial decisions by ensuring that a matter is decided by only one court. And third, it allows the courts to use their time and resources efficiently, instead of getting bogged down by duplicate cases. In conclusion, Section 10 of the Civil Procedure Code plays a vital role in the Indian legal system. By staying a suit when a similar matter is already pending in another court, it protects both the courts and the citizens from the inconvenience of repeated cases on the same issue. As a responsible citizen, it is essential to be aware of this provision and ensure that you don't file a case that has already been taken care of in another court. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this. Have a great day and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.